What's up guys? I got two pairs of Air Jordan 12 Chinese New Year. This is the 2019 edition, and as you can see I got a size 15 and a size 12 and a half. If you notice on StockX, they actually go for a lot. I'm the real plug, by the way. So I'm gonna throw these on here for you. These boxes are pretty nice. There's a link in the description to check them out on StockX, just in case you were wondering. What I gotta say, size 12 and a half, size 15. If you're wondering how I got these, to be honest, I just picked them up from Nike.ca. Nike Canada, excuse me. It's nike.com/en/ca or something like that. So I'm gonna throw in the English version real quick. The 12 and a half, excuse me. My brain is thinking about the English version of the Nike website. Gold box, gorgeous interior, quality inspired by the greatest player ever. Look at this interior right here. Quite nice. As you can see, we have the sneakers out here. What do you think of them? Let me know in the comment section below. If you like them a lot and you can't find them, I know they're sitting in some Foot Lockers in Canada, but check them out on StockX. You might even be able to get them for under retail in some sizes. Probably can. Link in the description. Gonna throw these on so at least you know how they look before you buy them on foot. I know a lot of you like some nice on foot footage, so gonna pull out the second pair here, and it's gonna be on in no time. Just look at these 12s. I mean, the material, it's not like a leather material, but it's quite nice. It's like very interesting. The interior of the shoe is like flames, you know? Bottoms are nice too. Some glue there. All right, I'm gonna throw them on. I'll let you know how they look. You'll see in a second. Finally got them on. I know you can see they're pretty fire. And before I say anything about the shoes, I know a lot of you asked me where I get these pants. If you want a similar pair, because they stack so well, check them out on Amazon, link in the description below. I get a size that's a little bit too long for me, so that they stack like this. Ultimately, the sneakers are pretty fire though, you know? It's always been my dream to buy a pair of Flu Games and play some basketball in them, but maybe these will do. Pretty fire sneakers if you ask me. Red bottoms, Cardi B would like those. These lacelets right here, I think that's what they're called. They're pretty nice. Let's zoom right in. Jordan logoed. Pretty fire if you ask me. Thanks for watching the video. The sneakers are pretty nice. Let me know what you think of them in the comment section below. I'm just working on a nice thumbnail here. We'll see if we can get it. I think that's pretty good. Thanks for watching the video. Again, subscribe to the channel. Check out the links in the description for the pants, the shoes on StockX. You can get them for under retail. Bacon and egg socks, maybe, you know? I'm kidding, I don't sell those. Thanks for watching, goodbye.